So over here you can see that I have this board right here, and if I want to go ahead and share this board out with others, then you can go around over here onto the top right and click on share. So once you do that, you can see that you can go ahead and type in an email address that you want to share this board with. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and type in tututubechannel@gmail.com, let's say, for example, and then press enter right here. Once you do that, what happens is that the person will be added as a viewer, as you can see right here. So they should be logged in onto Jotboard in order to access it. You can even go ahead and give them an editor access so that they can go ahead and edit this out with you as well on the same board. And you can even go ahead and remove out access right here. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and set out link access. For example, anyone with the link will have no access, as you can see. But if you were to go ahead and choose viewer, let's say for example, then anyone with the link will be able to view the board. So you can see that copy link is here. You can even so a QR code right here so that others can scan. So whenever you're presenting, you can present the QR code so that they can access it, or you can copy out the link. And let me just go to incognito window right here to simulate other people. And once they access this out, you can see that since I am in the same board, you can see that two people are accessing it, but I don't have any option to edit it. So this is what you have. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and say editor. So now anyone with the link will be able to edit this out. So you can go ahead and copy, and then let me just go to incognito again and then paste this out right here. And once you do that, you can see that without signing in, I have an option to edit, and then you'll be able to see the live changes right here. So let me just go ahead and press done right here. You can see that I can go ahead and make live changes. I can go ahead and draw and then erase and so forth right here, and it reflects on the main project as well. So those are the different ways in which you can go ahead and share out your boards in Jotboard. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.